I'd like to make a video about how to print multiple times on white or varnish. If you have this alignment tool, the PrintExp, you right click and task settings, and you can use the cut ink function, which you can increase the white, even color or other stuff. And if your alignment tool looks like this, then you can directly change here the white varnish. Sometimes you have C means color. If your alignment tool is like this, it's for the A3, it's also ink settings, then you have the one, but you must tick this before you can change this. Okay. Now let's go to the ATools. This is ATools, and it's not profile setting, it's global setting. In the setup, you should know the password. If you don't know the password, okay, in the advanced, then you're gonna see it here, but you only see it if it have the channel with white. For example, then you can change how many pass for white, for varnish. We don't have print have this. Anyway, and this is other percentage you can change. Okay, but if you don't have white, of course, you cannot see the settings. That's for ATools. Okay.